Hello. Today I'm gonna share a little plugin that I don't know if we're gonna continue to develop, but it's useful in some scenarios. It's a plugin that you will be able to compare four stereo sources quite quickly in Reaper. I must add, because Reaper can handle multi-channel signals better than most DAWs. You can probably set it up in other DAWs and make it work there too. I know Ableton will be able to do it, but it's way more complicated to set it up. I'm gonna show you how to use it in Reaper and use it if you find it useful. So here's what we're gonna do. We're starting with a track in Reaper, and we're gonna add the plugin that I called Compadre. So it's just a simple plugin like this. 4 buttons, and when you click on the different, it will change the different buttons. It will change source. So in this case, I will demo it with 4 different limiters on the same material, so we can hear how the different limiter sounds. So let's start with creating 4 channels, or let's do like this. I'm going to remove the master send for these tracks, and then we will duplicate. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah. So that it doesn't send the audio to the master. We want to send it to this track, where the compadre is placed. And we will need some music, and I'm gonna use a really old track. It's from somewhere in the mid-90s that I made this track. Let's set in on a loop somewhere in the middle here. Like that, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna bring up the mixer, and we're gonna send all 4 of these to the first track where the Compadre plugin is placed. And the first one, we're gonna send it from audio 1.2 to audio 1.2. The second one, we're gonna send from audio 1.2 to audio channel 3 and 4. The third one, we send from, or we send to the same channel again, this time to channel 5, 6. And the last, create a send to new channels 7 and 8. There we go. And on these channels, we're gonna add different limiters. Start with limiters, xenon, real limit. Why? Oh, okay, sorry, my screen froze. It will be back in a second. No, okay. Smart limit. Okay. 4 limiters, and let's set them up. We start with using smart limit. So we're gonna feed every limiter with 2 decibels. We're gonna let it peak at 0. Or let's have it peak at -2, so that we do the same. Let's use clipping. And I have to do all that again. Let's xenon. -2. Smart limit. There we go. So now we set all the limiters up, and I'm gonna play. So this is, which order did I do it? That is limitless, PSP Xenon, Rea limit, and smart limit. Let's crush it, just so it's more fun to compare. Let's say -8. -8. No. 8. -8. -8. -8. Yeah, let's do true peak and link that one. Smart limit. I don't know how to write in the numbers in smart limit. Oh, I can only do -6. Okay. Let's add another -2 at the master out in that case. Okay, here we go. That limitless is crazy. Yeah, that's a little plugin to use. We'll see if we develop it further. It's pretty good to have, actually. When I'm mastering, it could be good to set it up to compare compressors, EQ settings, or whatever. So it's on Patreon right now, so go and download it. Okay, bye.